Welcome my dear student in digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in worksheet number 4 that is related to reciprocal of rational numbers. So as I told you, reciprocal of any rational number a upon b is b upon a. It is very simple. Just change numerator to denominator and denominator become numerator. Then after that you can write this as a upon b raised to power minus 1. This minus power is showing it is reciprocal. So sometime in some question it is written a upon b raised to power minus 1. That means we need to take reciprocal. If it is any number x is given to you, you can write its reciprocal x upon 1. I have told you already, if nothing is written in denominator, you can write 1. So now it becomes 1 upon x. And in simple you can write x raised to power minus 1. Minus 1 power is representing your reciprocal. So today I am going to take your verify type question. You can see here we have first question number 5th of worksheet number 4, that is verify x plus y raised to power minus 1 plus x raised to power minus 1 plus y raised to power minus 1. This we are going to verify they are not equal. So such question you have already done in previous classes, like adding, how to do adding of two rational number by taking LCM. So same will do. Last step you will take reciprocal. Here in first step you need to take reciprocal. So first how to start? This we need to prove. This is given. So first task you need to write here x is equals to minus 2 upon 3 and y is equals to minus 4 upon 3. What you want to prove? To prove that, right, we are interested to prove x plus y raised to power minus 1, or we can say x plus y reciprocal is not equals to reciprocal of x plus reciprocal of y, or you can say pi raised to power minus 1. So as we are doing, taking left hand side and right hand side, taking left hand side. So what is the left hand side? X plus y raised to power minus 1. So here you need to substitute the value of x and here you need to substitute the value of y. So let me substitute the values. We have a x value minus 2 upon 3 and plus sign is in between. Then y value we have 4 upon 3. Then after that bracket is there and minus power is outside. You can see, my dear student, in both number we have denominator 3. So no need to take LCM, directly we can write 3. Then directly you are going to solve it. Plus into minus, minus. So you will get minus 4 raised to power minus 1. So you can see here minus 2 and minus 4 both are negative. So we are going to add them. It becomes minus 6 upon 3 raised to power minus 1. If you can cancel here, so let's see, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, we can cancel. So we will left with minus 2 upon 1 raised to power minus 1. As I told you, this minus 1 represent reciprocal. So what would be the reciprocal of this one? This is your numerator, so it become denominator. And this 1 will go up. So this is minus 1 upon 2 is your answer. This is answer. So let's check the second case. In second case, we need to do x inverse plus y inverse. Okay. So substitute the value of x. X you have minus 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 1 plus y is minus 4 upon 3 raised to power minus 1. In such cases, you need to take reciprocal in first step because this is a alone term, so it become its reciprocal. You all know now this become denominator, this become numerator. So it is 3 upon minus 4. And some students, they may commit mistake here, directly they can write 3 plus 3 6. But check your denominators are different. So we need to take LCM. So LCM of 2 and 4, you can calculate even. If you are calculating, we can convert it to 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. How? In this way you can write 2 2 ja 4, 1 1. So 4 is LCM. So our next task is to make denominator same. Before that, convert them into standard form. We need to remove this negative sign from the denominator. So you can write minus 3 upon 2 plus minus 3 upon 4. But don't think it is minus 3 and 3 cancel out. So first we need to multiply 3 upon 2 plus, as I told you, after taking LCM, our task is to make the number same equals to LCM, denominator. So I did. So now 4 would be in the denominator, here 3 to just 6 and 3. So what we will get here? It becomes 6 and 3, 9 upon 4. So you can see both answers are different. So we can say left hand side is not equals to right hand side, and hence verified. In this way, my dear student, you can solve such questions. So let me take you toward multiplication. I hope it is clear to you. First take LCM. How to start? Write whatever given to you. Then what you are interested to prove. Take left hand side and right hand separate. In this you solve as you are solving addition question. Then answer whatever you will get, take reciprocal of that one. In this one, first take reciprocal, then add. Rest is similar. So let's take next one. I hope this is clear to you all. So now I am going to take your next question, that is related to multiply. Question number is 6th. Once again it is verified. X into y inverse is equals to x inverse multiplied by y inverse. By taking x is equals to minus 2 upon 3 and y is equals to minus 3 upon 4. This is a question to you. As I told you, similarly you have to start first. What is given to you here? X and y. So you can write x is equals to 2 upon 3, comma y is equals to 3 upon 4. This is given. Now what we are interested to prove? We are interested to prove x multiplied by y minus raised 1 is the power, then it is equals to x raised to power 1 multiplied by y raised to minus 1. Once again, as I did same, taking left hand side and right hand side. Taking left hand side. So left hand side we have x multiplied by raised to power minus 1. In multiplication, no need to take LCM, directly multiply. So what is the value of x? 2 upon 3 multiplied to minus 3 upon 4 raised to power minus 1. If anything is cancelable, you can cancel here. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So what would left with me? Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 in denominator 1 into 2 raised to power 2. 1 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 2. So what would you will get in the last? You will get reciprocal of 1 upon 2. If you are going to reverse it, so it become 2 upon 1. Now take this case, that is your right hand side. Put the value of x here. X is minus 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 1. Then minus 3 upon 4 raised to power minus 1. Second thing, take reciprocal in first step as I told you. So it become 3 upon minus 2 and it become 4 upon minus 3. Once again, if you are cancelling, so you can cancel here 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So you will get, my dear students, here 1 into 2 and in denominator minus 1 is multiplied to minus 1. 2 1 ja 2 and minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Now you can see left hand side and right hand side. Both they are equal. So you can write left hand side is equals to right hand side and hence verified. I hope, my dear student, these questions are clear to you, how to find out the answers of such questions. Thank you so much.